Diana, we're just about to give a workshop. Not just about, because we still have time to plan, as we always do, but the topic is enormous, as you know, both meditation and service. And I'm interested in what you have to say about both, but especially I know that you have something to say about the archetypes and
Yes.
meditation and service.
Yes, it's a topic that's dear to my heart. And I think we have to start with that Assagioli used the traditional spiritual definition of an archetype, which is a universal principle which unifies, heals, and gives meaning. And that's the definition I'll be using in the workshop and the definition of service for me. And we'll be looking and exploring how when an archetype is being expressed, that is service. And we'll see all the many, many ways that can happen. And another part of that that's very dear to my heart is the idea that when we serve others, we ourselves are healed. And, I work with socially excluded adolescents now. I don't work with them. I train other people to work with them. But what I see when we take young people into a nursery to become a mentor to a small child that needs additional support, what I see is how healing and transformative that is for the young person, to see how much they have to contribute, to see how they can make a difference in another person's life. So serving that little person they're mentoring is healing and transformative for them. And I've seen that so often, what a difference that makes, which makes me really think about the evolution of the soul through service. I suspect that happens for us all. That doesn't mean, of course, that we don't have our distortions and the wounded healer and all that stuff, but also on a higher or a deeper level, there is some transformative work going on when we serve others.
It must be about not paying too much attention to our fantasies and ruminations and problems, but minding other people.
Yes, I mean, putting ourselves behind and putting someone else as more important and their needs are met before we meet our own needs, that's something that many adults can't do. And that's something that is a developmental step in our evolution, to be able to serve the other.
Very good. But in our workshop, we'll go into all the troubles and distortions, I suppose, of both service and meditation.
How could we not? How could we not?
I think we have an ample set of examples and possibilities.
And possibly personal experience to share.
Oh, of course. That's where it all starts.
Good. Thank you. Thank you. I'm
Thank
getting
you.
more excited about it.
Well, you've been serving, so